Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will be discussing the difference between the List and Pandas series. So without wasting any time, let's start with our topic. So what is List? List is a one type of Python collection which holds heterogeneous data, meaning it holds different data types. For example, list can hold in the same time it can hold integer, float and string values. And second thing, list is also indexed and ordered. So now what is series? Series is a one-dimensional data structure used for a particular use case. So it is also ordered and indexed. Then what is the difference between list and series? Let's try to understand it by with an example. So first we'll create one list. For example, with the name L1 equal to with some values in it. Now, for example, suppose I want to fetch or get any values from the list, so I can print that by using by referring a index number. Suppose I want to print zeroth index value. So as you can see, it has printed one. Suppose I want to print second index position value. So as you can see, I'm able to print the list items by referring to its index number. So now let's try to do same thing with the help of series. So for that, let's import pandas as pd. Let's create one series pd dot series. Let's use same list. Now let's print s. So as you can see, series is also printed with the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3. And the values of that index or that series is 1, 2, 3, 4. So for example, right now I don't want to use the numerical indexes for this series. So I want to add my own indexes to this series. For example, let's say I want to add characters as a indexes in the series. So how can I do that? For that, it's equal to pd dot series l1 comma index equal to bracket you can add a comma b comma c comma b. Let's try to print s. As you can see, the index of the series has been changed to characters, that is a, b, c and d. So this is not possible if we are using list. So in series we can or like we can add our own index names to the indexes in series, but this is not possible in list. So now what is the next difference in the list and series? For that, let's create L1. For example, L1 equal to L1 multiply by 2. Now if you print L1, as you can see, in the L1 we have two set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now we have multiplied it by 2. Then it has twice it has been added into the same list. So same thing we'll try to perform with the series s into 2. Print s. So as you can see, when we perform vectorization operation, so at that time 2 is multiplied with the each element inside the series.